Ready? Just start slow. Start slow. No. Oh shit! Alright, no, stop! It's gonna break. No, that can actually break the bearing. No! That's going so fast. Okay, Cam, you're next. It's okay, Cam, it doesn't break. Okay, that was a bit loud. It's going super quick.
Oh, it's going so fast.
Look at Cameron's face.
I'm scared to move my hand or let it go or something. I'm trying to slow it down.
Yeah, I know.
We should see how long it goes for when we do this.
Oh, Jesus.
Ready?
Get your phone out, pass it here.
Alright, I'm timing it. 9, 10, 11, 12. It's already going for 15 seconds. How long does it? It literally looks rainbow.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Well, it's the camera's just... No, stop blowing it. But imagine blowing on it. Oh, actually, I just said...
It looks rainbow, look.
Yeah, see? You can see like...
How long has it been for?
40 seconds.
40 seconds.
How long does it usually go for?
About...
Yours goes for a minute 40.
Normally it goes for about 30 seconds.
25
No, 33.
Seconds. Mine goes for 35.
Alright. Almost a minute. Yeah, that's a minute. Wait. Yep, that's a minute. Peace. Wait, is it stopped?
Yep.
Alright, that was a minute 8. Oh, we got it again? Alright, this is probably going to be the end of the video, or not. Oh, jeez. Already gone for about 20... Oh, only 23 seconds. Alright, I'm going to zoom in. Looks like a spaceship from here.
Remember, turn it off on the wall.
Yeah, right.
I dare to put your tongue on it.
No! I'm back.
What one is it, Lockie?
Is that the end of the video? I reckon. He just put his
rainbow.
tongue. Yeah, I know. Alright, I think that's the end of the video. Air compressor. Really? But we just practiced on cameras. Alright. Cameras Gaming. Lachlan, you should get a YouTube account. Then I could introduce you. And then I'll subscribe to you. And just subscribe.